this video, we will discuss the Market Health Report. The gauge provides a clear representation of the overall market's health, broken down into 4 hours, 12 hours, and 1 day. A higher percentage means a stronger, more bullish market, where more coins are in an upward trend. Conversely, lower percentages indicate higher risk, signaling weaker market conditions and a greater likelihood of downward price movements. Alongside the overall market gauge, the report breaks down the performance of key sectors. Each sector is visually represented, allowing traders to quickly assess which market sectors are performing well. Lower sector readings point to higher risk, suggesting market conditions are less favorable, while higher readings signal stronger bullish activity. These sector readings correspond directly to the sector channels in Discord, giving you a clear connection between the data and the Zazuk juicy tips. When a new juicy tip comes in, always check the market direction reports to understand market conditions prior to making your trading decisions. Happy trading, everyone.